today's video, we're gonna learn how to do the Bollywood drape. Now the Bollywood drape is very similar to the Navy drape, which is what I'm wearing. It has the pallu over your left shoulder and pleats in the front. Where it differs is how much of the sari you use to take the hip pleats. And it's going to really sculpt your body, and it's gonna give a modern look to the Navy drape. So let's get started. I'm going to start by pleating the pallu, and I'm going to take very rough pleats. This material is so easy to work with that you don't really have to take perfect pleats. Rough pleats will look just beautiful. So there's my pallu, and I'm going to just shake it out and bring the pleats down. And so I want my pallu to be that long. I like my pallu to be a little bit longer, especially when I'm doing a pleated pallu. So it almost hits my ankle, and I'm gonna pin that together. Because the sari is super transparent, I'm actually gonna start the drape in the middle. This is because the front pleats are going to cover where the sari starts, versus if I started here, there's no pleats there. So it's just more layers to cover that beginning. And then I'm going to take the other end of the sari, the pallu that I pleated, and bring it around and put it on my left shoulder. Once I have that, I'm going to take the sari closest to me, or the part of the sari that's closest to me, bring it around my body, and now this is what I'm going to drape. We're going to start taking lots of hip pleats to the point where we pleat up the entire sari like so. And you want to do small pleats so that's easier for you to pin. And there you have it. Now you want to take that and pin it to your skirt. And then you're going to take the rest of the sari and start pleating. You want the first pleat to always be a little wider, and you're going to pleat the rest. And that's it. This is a great way to change up your look and do a little bit of a different drape, but still keep the gorgeous parts and features of the Navy drape. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you do, and I'll see you in a future video.